We guide you through how to upload photo in Pinterest. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Pinterest app or go to the Pinterest website and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for the create button or the plus icon, then click create pin. Next, click the upload area or drag and drop the photo you want to post from your device. Once the image is uploaded, you can add a title, a description, and optionally include a link if you want viewers to visit a website or blog. After that, choose the board where you want your photo to be saved, or create a new board if you want to organize your pins into a new category. You can also adjust details like tags or topics to help people discover your pin more easily. When everything looks good, simply click the publish or save buttons, and your photo will be uploaded to Pinterest instantly and visible on your selected board.